Sun is melting. Should I reduce my eye?
I'm struggling to keep my eyes open like this. Hi guys, good morning. I'm attending a networking event today. Just come along with me. My ride is here. I'll see you in the next one. Follow. Hi Tolu. Say hi.
Hi.
Elizabeth. Okay, where are you?
Oh, I'm here.
This sun is blinding my eye. Ebuka. Esther. Okay. Dera. Wave. Wow. Guys, Dera. Yes, now it's a video. Sheriff, come closer, I beg. Come into the light.
Come into the light and be seen. Lord, say hi to the camera.
What's up, my G?
Hey, nice meeting my guy again. Shout out to you guys. Yeah. Deriq, nice meeting you.
Nice one, bro.
Great. Can I join you?
Bro, Tosin, bro, for now.
Don't join.
Why no go join? Why no go join? Admin team.
Well,
Oh God.
Eunice, you are so violent.
Hi. DeriqBlaq. DeriqBlaq. I want to come up with his ancestors' body.
Where's my meal ticket?
Wait, who is taking your picture?
Do we have to take pictures when we have rock hard evidence like this?
Yeah. The sun is melting. Should I reduce my eye?
I'm struggling to keep my eyes open like this. Where are we heading to? Which way? Follow. So there's a queue apparently. So now here the queue starts. It's giving hostel. They might choose to refill. Elizabeth. Nasty day. I don't first when I get both. See my gang. Anu. Lawrence. Dera. Bye. Bye. We're done. Elizabeth. Our ride is here. Where Express. So I just got back home to my place of residence. I look all roughed up. I think my hairline is receding, but that's a conversation for another day. Yeah, it's been a long day. This is 5 p.m. on the dot. So see you in the next one. Thanks for staying around. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know I don't ask this often, but if you got to this point in the video, please make sure to do all of that. Thank you. Hi guys, yeah, good evening. So I just got back and I settled in after coming back from the networking event I attended today. So I just wanted to, unbox the package I got over there. So yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It's a suction mug, spill free, 0.54 liters. That's half a liter. Yep. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Ooh, this is clean. It even has a filter, interestingly. Yep. And that's about it. So, bye.